How to use Wayfair promo codes online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Wayfair promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Wayfair. First up, I'm going to show you how can you get Wayfair promo code. So go ahead and open any of these websites. I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. 25% off, $50 off, 80% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. So here is the code, click on copy, then click on redeem at Wayfair. You will be directed to the official website of Wayfair. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. The process is same. Also, make sure to check out this website, as these websites will also provide a working promo code for Wayfair. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily redeem Wayfair promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.